Next, we're gonna go to our left lunge and hold it for 20 seconds. Start now. We're gonna put our so hurt. So we're gonna kind of like not separate so much, but we're gonna try to do it like this. So we can do a handstand. Like that. But no, see you next week.